Alright, Fuzz Pie Guy here. I'm going to show you how to install a program for, it's a radio scanning tool for kind of like Wireshark or Kismet or TCP dump, but it's called a highly optimized radio scanning tool. So, after you do like an update upgrade, I'm going to just install this on I'm just running it on a Raspberry Pi Zero at the moment. I have the onboard Wi-Fi connected to my own network. Then I have a USB TP-Link Wi-Fi adapter, the WN722 version 1, hooked up to my Wi-Fi gun antenna that I have in another video that I made. So what we're going to do is just do an update. I'll post a link in the description to my website for all this, but we'll do an update, and we need to install some packages here before we get this running. So things might be a little bit slow here since it's on the Zero, but if you ran this on like a Raspberry Pi 3 or something, or B Plus or what, it'd be a lot better. But now we're just going to install some packages here, which I have already done that to save some time. But now all we need to do is just clone the software here, which I have already done that. Then we just need to CD into it. So we'll just clear that out. And once we're CD'd into it, you just need to run make and let it make. Then we'll just do a sudo make install once it's done. Then we're good to go. We're good to run this. So we'll just start it here by just doing a sudo HORST. Then we want to do a -I for your interface. So we're just going to do a WLAN 1 since 0 is the on board for the Pi Zero here that I'm running. So we're just going to hit OK. As you can see, a bunch of information is popping up. Now this might be a little bit big because I have the font size a little bit bigger for the video, but it might be better to actually, I'm on a 12 bold font, so it might be better to get rid of the bold at least. But as you can see down here, if you want to quit, you just hit Q. We'll turn this back on. Then you can pause it by hitting P and just hit P again. You can use R to reset it. The history will show this up on the screen. Then if we do the ESSID, just hit E. And that'll start popping up some stuff. Then we could do A for stats. You can see little dashes, little lines under the characters. Now this screen here is pretty interesting. As you can see, the size here going up and whatnot. By the network set it's picking up. Then we can click on S, and this is going to show the 11 channels and how many nodes are on each channel. Then if you hit the N, it will list the nodes. Then you hit N again, it'll get rid of them. Then if you click on C, you can the number corresponds with what you want to do. So we'll just get out of that. Just hit escape. But this, you could hit the O and you can sort how you like to sort. We can sort by channel. Then if you hit the F, you'll get all this stuff popping up, and you can uncheck these and stuff by hitting the letter. Whoop. Let's get that back up here. Then we can you gotta pay attention, like that's a lowercase v. Down here you got a capital, so you gotta do a capital. Then once you want to change, then you hit enter to apply it. So we could just hit escape on that. But there it is. I mean, it's a nice little piece of software, and not too bad. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. I'll throw the link in the description. So, see you next time.